Welcome everybody back to the Tech Woke channel. My name is Chris, and on this channel we talk about cybersecurity, career, and life. And in today's video, we're going to talk about where are some of the jobs at on where you can apply for jobs overseas in the government technology space. So if you look on my screen, there's a couple companies, there's a lot of companies that do it, but these are some of the main companies where you can apply for jobs to work overseas. The companies I got listed is Leidos, Mantech, and Booz Allen. For these positions, you gotta already have a security clearance, or some of these jobs sponsored for security clearances. But in this video, we're mainly going to talk about where to go to find the jobs and apply for the jobs. So I'm going to show you this, but these are the companies that can potentially hire you for these jobs right now. So I'm going to change my screen over. So on my screen, what you do is to find these jobs, you have to go on the actual company website. So right now we're on Mantech. So we see a section on here that says international. So for example, I'm just going to use an example. It says international Afghanistan. I'm not going to put a filter. I'm just going to just click it and see what pops up. Nothing popped up. Let me see something else. Let me just put international. I'm going to put a couple filters on here, see what pops up. See if there's any jobs overseas you can apply for. So a lot of positions popped up and you would just apply, but you have to go here and filter it to international. Sometimes you can filter it to clearance once you have your clearance, but here are some of the jobs on Mantech website in case you're looking. Now we're going to go to Leidos. Same thing. You go over here. They got country you can filter it by. You click the country and all these jobs will pop up. Network engineer, UK, different thing. You can filter by clearance and stuff. But you always have, you remember, always go to the company website. Then the same thing with Booz Allen. You go on the company website. You can put in a country. And this is, it's not popping up anything, but let me see. We're going to put Germany, see if anything pops up. See, when you put in Germany, like a lot of positions pop up. But that's how you basically apply for jobs that are overseas. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video. Comment down below if you have a different experience. Please share the video. And also join the newsletter. And if you want more information on GovTech, information security, anything like that, or any behind the scenes video, please subscribe to the Patreon. That's pretty much it, everybody. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.